Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. This is Arfan Aftab, and our today's topic is how you can transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to one of the most secure and most safest wallet, which is a hardware wallet. In this video, I'll be showing you how to store it on a Ledger hardware wallet. Alright guys, we are in the Ledger Live app. This Ledger Live app is the interface for the Ledger hardware wallet. So now I will be first installing the Bitcoin app, and then I will add the account of Bitcoin, and then we will transfer from the wallet. So first of all, what we will do is we will be installing the Bitcoin app. So just press on the Bitcoin app. Press these two buttons, guys. Can you see? Hold on. Yes. Once you have pressed them, it will synchronize the Bitcoin wallet with it. You can add multiple accounts. People use it for different purposes. Some people want to have a separate account for trading. Some people want to have a separate account for investment or savings. And you can choose a native SegWit or a SegWit account or a legacy account. That's entirely up to you. I personally use native SegWit because this is the cheapest of all. When I say cheapest, what it means is the cheapest transaction cost of the account. I like to make the color a bit hard, so just to go on settings, change the theme from here to dark. And if you want to change the currency, let's say I don't want USD, I want to have Bahraini dinars because I am in Bahrain. So in order to have a transaction to send money from any wallet to your hardware wallet, you need to copy the receive address of Bitcoin of the Ledger hardware wallet. So we can go on receive or we can go on the account. Now click on Bitcoin. It's loading. Alright guys, you have to press those two buttons at the same time to confirm, to verify the address. And before that, you must copy the address. It is something like an email you are giving to the other person if you want to receive an amount into your account. So now we'll go to my blockchain.com wallet, and I have little amount of Bitcoin over here since long time. So I want to send from this wallet to my Ledger wallet, make it private wallet. The thing what I don't like about blockchain wallet is that you have to actually physically write the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. It does not allow you to put a max and then put the address. You can choose a regular network fees, or if you want to do it very fast, you can choose the immediate fees, but I will go with the regular because that fees is lower. I am happy with waiting for some time. All right, let's go back to the Ledger Live, and here you go. Your amount is in the Ledger Live. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.